Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Polished Perfections. Today, we're going to talk about a smart way to purchase a $10,000 used car using a 12 to 18-month interest-free credit card. Yes, you heard it right. Let's dive into it. Step 1. Research and choose your car. Before anything else, do thorough research on the type of car you want to buy. Consider factors like reliability, mileage, maintenance costs, and resale value. Websites like Kelley Blue Book and Edmunds can be your best friends in this phase. Step 2. Find the right credit card. Look for credit cards offering 0% interest on purchases for 12 to 18 months. Make sure you read the terms and conditions carefully to understand any fees or limitations. Please see the videos linked at the end of this video on how to improve your credit score, and about obtaining promotional credit cards. Step 3. Apply for the credit card. Once you've chosen the right card, go ahead and apply for it. Remember, your credit score plays a crucial role here, so ensure it's in good standing before applying. Step 4. Negotiate the price. When you find the car you want, negotiate the price with the seller. Knowing your budget and having the ability to pay up front with a credit card can give you an edge in negotiations. Step 5. Pay with your credit card. Once you've settled on a price, it's time to whip out that credit card. Pay for the car using your 0% interest credit card. This way, you'll have the flexibility to spread out your payments without accruing interest. Step 6. Create a repayment plan. Even though your credit card offers a grace period without interest, it's crucial to create a repayment plan to pay off the balance before the promotional period ends. Divide the total amount by the number of months in the promotional period to determine your monthly payment. For example, to pay off $10,000 in 12 months, it is about $834 per month, and about $556 per month for 18 months. Please keep in mind this is just a flat example number. Taxes and dealership fees will apply upon purchasing a used auto. Step 7. Lastly, diligently stick to your repayment plan. Set reminders for your payments and avoid making unnecessary purchases with the card to ensure you pay off the balance on time. And there you have it, folks. A smart way to buy a $10,000 used car using a 12 to 18-month interest-free credit card. Remember to do your research, choose the right card, negotiate wisely, and stick to your repayment plan. Happy car shopping! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. Until next time, drive safe.